1979 through 81. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am front bumper impact bar bracket installation. So this is how it's done. This is the passenger side. That's the driver's side. Uses these special bolts that have serrations. One is longer than the other one. The longer one goes to the rear of the bracket. This being the bracket, the shorter one in the front slot. Also, these use special washers that are serrated for adjustment purposes. So you must use this if you want to be able to adjust the bumper height later on once you assemble everything back together, which usually becomes the case. So the long bolt is in the back. The one that's slightly shorter than this one goes to the front.